Well, we are the UAS Drone Society. We give the opportunity for those to fly drones similar to this one right here. You do not need to be licensed. You do not need any experience to fly. It doesn't matter how old you are. If you are better than a 4-year-old, you can fly. For now, until it gets too cold, we will be meeting 4:30 to 6 on Tuesdays at the Sporty Quad for fly days. Yes.
So my name is Jackie. I'm the president for SWE this fall semester. And SWE, it's all about coming together as a society and working on projects, developing new skills. We worked on a smart plant pot last semester. We included a little bit of 3D printing, software included, and hardware. Yeah.
I'm Emmy. I'm the chair of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. And so in our society, we get together and do all sorts of hands-on work so that we can expand our capabilities as mechanical engineers. We also come together and work to build on our professional and career development. We network with others, tour companies, and help form a community of engineers and really work to build each other up. So it's so much fun. Anyone should join.
I'm Carson Bush. I am the chair for the IEEE branch for BYU Idaho. IEEE stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. We do a lot of electrical related projects or low-level software projects. Some of that includes robotics. One of our big projects is an operating system. We've done stuff with like PCBs. We run tours, workshops, and just semester by semester projects. We love everyone to come participate. It doesn't matter if you're an electrical computer engineer. We have mechanical engineers. We love everyone that's just interested in electronics. This is our Cube satellite, one of our projects that we are continuing this semester. It's a PCB that we designed in KiCad, which is open source software. We love our open source guys. Shout out to them. It's just a lot of projects. It's cool.
Is the bird going to fly?
So that's the hope. We want to send. It's called the Cube satellite because we want to send it to space.
Yeah.
So.
Sweet. Well, hey, I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brandon.